What's up, guys? It's your boy Ty here, my mom.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Hiba and my son Tahir.
What's up?
And we are back with another video. Yes, honey, yes. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing some yarn and some back to school items that I got him. So I thought I'll put them two together because some of the yarn that I got is for his back to school clothes that I'm making him. Right?
Huh?
Silly boy?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. Which one you want to open first?
I want to open this one because I can see through it.
You can see through it. Alright, so I got some things from TEMU and Amazon. This one I think is from, yeah, this one's from TEMU. And I got you. So this is similar to a wooble. I don't know exactly what this one's called. When we open it, let's open it to see. Tahir, can you do the video right?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll cut that out.
No, just chill. I got him a wooble. I'm gonna make him a wooble. And I think this one is the frog one that I got you.
The frog one?
Yeah. Let's see. It's not actually a wooble, but it's similar to a wooble. This one's called. Oh, it's an owl. I think it's an owl. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh, I can make any one of them.
Oh.
I think I can make all of them. Oh, I can make all of them for you. The owl, the frog. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Oh, this one's called Crochet Thread Handicrafts. Right? So I wanted to kind of compare and contrast like different beginner friendly kits, like beginner kits, to the wooble to see, like, you know, what the hype is with the wooble, and to see if there are any kits better or worse than the wooble. And that's why I got it. Yeah, literally all three. I can make all three for you. But I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, they got the frog, the birdie, the owl.
Yeah.
Hold on, don't forget to like and
got,
subscribe. You guys, and like in the comment. You guys must be slagging when I will help you.
Stop! Don't touch it.
All right.
Yeah, like and subscribe. And it came with a hook, some eyes, keychains if you want to make a keychain.
Eyes?
You want to put it? Maybe we could put a keychain and put it on your book bag for back to school when you go to school. Yeah.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
I'll just be like.
Which one are you gonna put on for school? Which one are you gonna put on your book bag for school?
Ah.
Look at a frog.
Like and subscribe and
what's this
like,
one? The owl.
And comment. Like and subscribe and comment. You guys must be slagging when I'll help you.
And a bunny. So these three, which one are you gonna put on your book bag?
My book bag?
Are you gonna put all three of them on there?
Yes. I'm gonna put all three.
All three of them? Okay. And this is the yarn that it came with. But yeah, this one, let me look on my phone to see what it was called. I'm sorry, buddy. We're gonna open up more, okay?
Hold on, cut that out.
No, you don't have to cut it out.
Alright, sorry, but apart.
You watch too much YouTube. Stop, buddy. Don't touch the camera. I want to see what this one is called. This wooble, quote unquote, because it's not a wooble, but
it's an owl. This is the owl one.
Yeah, I know, but I'm talking about like what the actual. Let's see.
3 minutes later.
2 hours later.
Too much. You watch too much YouTube.
Nobody's on their phone. 3 minutes later.
2 hours later.
We're back, guys.
Yeah, so basically this, I think all of them are technically woobles, but this one doesn't have like an actual name. It just says the crochet for beginners, And then
What's one say?
hold on, buddy. And then oh, it's okay. It's called a DIY handcrafts crochet kit for beginners. That's what it's called. Okay, let's open up the next one.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna wear that for school, right? You're gonna put it on your book bags for school when I make it for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And I'm actually, I'm gonna actually make a video. Oh, I'm gonna make a video of me making him, you know, stuff for back to school and everything. So stay tuned for that video as well. Which one you wanna open next?
I wanna open this.
This one?
Because it's so big. It's the size of my head.
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Here, you open it.
Hold on.
Let me help you. Pull this part and I'll pull this part. Ready? Alright.
Oh, here you are.
Alright, hold on. Okay, so I bought you some clothes too for back to school.
Okay.
This is an outfit that I bought him for back to school. It's like a two-piece.
Fat bag. Fat bag. Dog. Crazy mode.
Doing right here. He's 5 years old, y'all, so he got so much energy and he just be so silly. I bought you a hat. Look. A little doggy hat.
Oh, so cute.
And some jeans. Back to school stuff.
Oh, geez.
And
School stuff?
another kit.
Oh, Mom, what is that thing?
Let's see. Let's open this one.
What is that in there?
It's a hook.
Oh.
I don't know.
So
Let
you
me see.
say that's a...
Stop, buddy. It don't have no instructions. What the heck?
Guys,
And this doesn't have any instructions. I don't know what I got. Let me
okay, guys, I'm back from the hospital. That was a kind of rough thing.
What? You're back from the hospital.
They wrapped me up like please do.
Let me see. I got this one from TEMU too. I got everything that I just opened, that we just opened from TEMU too. Okay. You can see that penguin, the little purple penguin. If y'all can see that purple penguin. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. That one will probably get a 0 review from me because it don't have no instructions at all. It just has a hook and the yarn and the stuffing.
I would give it.
And the buttons and stuff.
I would give it a none. A
none?
0.
A 0 out of 0? Yeah, me too. Come on, come sit down, buddy. Okay, let's open up the next one. Yeah, that one's 0 out of 0. And like I said, those were from TEMU as well. Go ahead, buddy.
Next minutes later. Alright.
That one?
I got this.
Rip it.
Rip it. Rip it. 6. Rip it.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, another back to school outfit. This is from TEMU as well. TEMU. I thought this yarn was gonna be different texture. I got this from TEMU. This was gonna be this is gonna be for my friend's baby. She is pregnant, so I'm making her baby girl some things. So I bought some purple yarn.
Hey.
And let's see. I'm trying to see. I thought it was gonna be that thick yarn because that's what it looked like. TEMU be lying, yo. Y'all be lying. Cause it said it was gonna be the thick, soft yarn.
Let me feel.
It's thin and it's a small yarn. I don't know. Whatever.
If you do that one more time, I'm gonna.
And I got me a 2-piece as well for like when I work out and stuff. Tahir, if you knock my camera down, I'm gonna knock you out. How you trying to knock the camera out?
Hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, bathroom break, y'all. This one's from TEMU too.
TEMU.
And then the last 2 I got is from Amazon. Go ahead.
I see something green.
What is
Hold
it?
on, cut that part out.
You don't have to worry about cutting nothing out. I'll do the edits, okay? Don't worry about it. It's another Wooble. Another Wooble-ish type of kit, a crochet kit, and it's for him for back to school, and we can do the same thing. Down here, they gotta focus on what I'm saying, buddy. And this is the like chicken hatching. You like it? It's like hatching out of the egg.
It's like, get me.
It's that one. Like I said, I'm gonna do a video of me making all the Woobles to see like which one I like better, which one is, you know, the best rating out of all of them. And we already know which one is 0 rating, right?
Yes.
The one that doesn't have any instructions.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Amazon.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for this bad boy.
Yeah.
I know there's headphones. Look, headphone sign on it.
Huh?
Headphone sign on it. Oh,
Ooh.
that's so cute.
I got this Wooble, and this one's called the Cookie Box. This is the one I really wanted you to see. The turtle. You like it?
Oh yes.
It's cool, right? I'm gonna make it for you.
The cookie box.
The Cookie Box.
The cookie box.
The Cookie Box.
Cookie box. Cookie box.
Cookie Box. Cookie Box. Cookie Box. Cookie Box. Cookie Box. Where did that dance from? And I don't remember getting this. Let me see what this is. I think this is just a what do you call those things? Give me that I'm trying to see. How they gonna hear me and you banging? Stop, please.
And what?
This I think is just where I put my crochet hooks. Okay.
Let me see.
Oh, I remember. Okay.
Let me see.
Hold on. It's mine. This is mine. So I bought a, what is this thing called? Hold on.
I wanna feel it.
A glow in the dark crochet hook.
A glow in the dark crochet hook?
Yes.
Oh, I want one of those.
And it
What
came
is
with
this?
the battery
Mom,
and different hooks.
what are these?
Yeah, those are different size hooks.
Why
And now, this one's from Amazon. I thought, yeah, this is from Amazon.
What's that one?
That one is.
Feels
I don't
so
know.
good.
I don't know what, oh, that's, I don't know. It's like a tool or something.
A wrench for me.
But not for you.
Yeah, I'm joking.
This for mine. This is mine. Ooh.
Can I see? Let me
Oh,
try.
we gonna do it. We gonna do it when it get nighttime, and we gonna show y'all when it's nighttime. Okay, and we gonna put a clip in there. This is the crochet hook. Super bright, and then turns off. I was so excited to get this one because I've been looking at this on like the reviews and stuff on YouTube, and then not on YouTube, on TikTok, and it's on super decent.
Mom,
Yeah.
I want one of those.
You want one of these?
Yes, that's so cool how it glows up.
And then when I'm crocheting at nighttime, I could be like, go using it.
I want to do.
Okay. And last box, drum roll please.
Hey, you like the beat?
And I got you some green yarn because I'm gonna make you a sweater. I started his green sweater that I'm making him, and I actually ran out of yarn, so I had to buy some more from Amazon. So this is the yarn that I'm gonna use for your hoodie, and this for his hoodie. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it.
Alright, let's open this.
I have to make it before you can play with it. You know that, right?
Huh?
I have to make it before you can play with it,
I
right?
want to open it.
But it's all it is just yarn.
I want to see the yarn.
Okay.
And the eyes. Oh, this thing is a can?
Yep. It's a cookie box, like a cookie box.
I wanna feel it now.
Cookie box.
That's the song for the cookie box.
Crochet kit for beginners. I'm not a beginner, but
we don't care.
We don't care. exactly what he just said.
We're the Goon Squad.
Ow.
We're the Goon Squad.
Okay, so
what is that?
they give us a little card. A card that says cookie box with their logo on it. And the different, I guess, woobles that they you know, have that you can make.
Can I see them?
Yeah, you can see them.
Oh no, they have all of that in there?
Yeah. Oh look, they have names for the different woobles. So the one that you have, his name is Hugo.
Hugo?
Hugo the turtle.
Wait, Mom.
Yeah.
Do we have all of these characters in there?
No, just the Hugo.
Well, Mom.
Yes.
Oh, look at the clam.
It's an oyster, Pearl the oyster. Let's look at the yarn. So they have the yarn.
Look at the
yarn for the turtle. The hook. I guess this probably is the eyes and stuff like that. Let's see.
Those are the eyes. Those are the eyes, Mom.
Yeah, I mean, I just want to double check. Yeah, eyes and stuff.
Can I see them?
You're not going to take it out. You're just going to look at it.
Oh, so glowy.
And they have the stuffing in here. So,
oh, Mom, look
if this is for beginners,
inside.
Hold on, buddy. If this is for beginners, I would, you know, let me see. I would assume they would have the directions on how to make this. But surprisingly, this doesn't have the instructions either. Nope. Doesn't have any instructions. So how would I know how to make this? I guess I'll just have to go off the top of my head. Because the first one, I think this is actually the real, like the real woo-woo. Because that one had instructions, right? It had books and everything like that. Let me see. Yeah, it just shows you how to do it.
I mean.
See, yeah.
I mean, I don't blame on this guy.
But you like it though?
Yeah.
You can't wait to
You look kind of cool.
play with it? Okay. You can't wait to play with it?
Here you go. If you want it, I'll give it to you. Wait.
Silly boy. Alright, give me the top. That pretty much sums up and completes the video. Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
And like and subscribe. Hold on.
And hit that bell so you can notify when I post all of my videos. If you also like this video, you'll like this next video that I have up here. And yeah, we're done. Come on, why do you keep going out of the camera?
Hold on and go. Bye.
Bye.
And look on Instagram, and we're on Instagram.
Oh, you want to talk about Instagram? Yeah, look on Instagram too. Our page is going to be in the description as well.
Yeah.
And the links for these items, I'll link the items in the description as well so you can get them if you like them. They're not sponsoring or anything like that, but I just want to, you know, do a good deed. Let's end with a song.
Okay. This is the turtle song.
All right, bye.
Bye.
I would like to get